Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to jam on Spotify. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, tap on your profile icon at the top left of your screen. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down a bit. Select Privacy and Social. Tap on Activate under the Jam heading. Tap on Allow Bluetooth. Tap on Allow. Tap on Next in order to allow Spotify to connect with your friends. Once both the parties have opened their Bluetooth and Spotify, they can connect the phones together in order to jam to the same music. Once you're done, go ahead and tap on Close. And that's it. This is how you jam on Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.